to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to be doing a cleaning video. So I'm going to be cleaning my toilet, rather the kids' toilet that has not been used in a long time. It had some issues, so it has been fixed. So I wanted to clean it, clean it, remove the dust here and there, so that it can be user friendly. And I'm going to be showing you a hack that I discovered using this. Yes, this. This is called a PUMICE stone, or rather, Wakenya tunaita nini? Mwa ya kusugua mguu. Yes, so I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the hard water stains from your toilet bowl using that. So I use this Hurricane toilet cleaner and baking soda. Baking soda does very good work in cleaning, during cleaning your surfaces, shoes, yeah, and a lot more. So you can use it to clean for anything. I think it does a good work though. And so we start. So I'm going to be, I had already put the, I had already scrubbed with the toilet cleaner and the baking soda. So the hot water, which kizungu pata nyetana kuonesha ni kusugua sasa na maji, but si process big. So I don't know if you guys can see the hard water marks. Okay, my camera in a reverse. So what you just do is basically ni kusugua tu like this. You scrub thoroughly places zenye ziko na hizo hard water stains. And advice, get gloves please, don't be like me. But even if you don't have gloves, once you're done, wash your hands vizuri to avoid germs. So as you can see, the marks are slowly fading off, fading out. Imagine mawe tu ya kawaida ya mguu. No, most of you didn't know this. The stains are stubborn like this one's mine. They can zinaweza kataa kutoka by the first scrub, but it also depends on how you're scrubbing. I'm feeling like if I had drained all the water that is in the bowl here, it could be an easy work, but I don't know how to do it. So look at this, guys. The marks are fading off. Ya watu wengi siku hizi tunaenda pedicure. Na uko na mawe yako yenye by 30 bob hapo. Yes, nimepata kazi sasa. But there's some people that are selling the PUMICE stone, one that has a handle for like 600 shillings, and I feel like handle too ya plastic. Handle ya plastic unafanya uuze mawe ya 30 bob. 600. Why the Kikuyu in me cannot let me buy that. That one, it cannot. So that's it. We're done with the PUMICE part. Yeah.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Yeah. we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path.